In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Discover8 Cashback credit card. This credit card is one of the most highly rated and popular cashback cards available, particularly for people who are comfortable with maximizing rewards and who prioritize an outstanding first-year welcome offer. So I'm going to give you a comprehensive review for 2025. First, it features an annual fee of $0, so no annual fee included. The welcome offer is unlimited cashback match. It automatically matches all cashback earned in the first year. The rewards rate are going to be 5% on rotating quarterly categories up to 1,500 spending plus 1% on everything else. The intro APR is going to be 0% on purchases and balance transfers for 15 months, then a variable rate applies. And finally, for international, it has no foreign transaction fees, though Discover acceptance can be limited abroad, so keep that in mind. It is probably the only lacking feature of this card. As you can see, it has 4.7 in the overall rating through more than 30,000 reviews. So it can be best understood in two phases. First, the actual first year, which is known as the game changer. This is arguably the best welcome offer of a no annual fee card. It automatically matches every single dollar of cashback that you earn in your first 12 billing periods. It has an effective first-year reward system with 10% cashback on the rotating quarterly categories and then 2% cashback on all other purchases. This effectively turns the card into a phenomenal, uncapped 2% flat rate card for all purchases with a 10% bonus on up to $6,000 in spending in the first year alone. The second phase is the ongoing value. So after you are done with the first year period and you are going beyond, after the first year, it reverts to its standard cashback structure. Its ongoing value is excellent, but it requires more work than a flat rate card. The 5% rotating categories remain the primary benefit. You must activate the category each quarter to earn the 5% rate on up to $1,500 on spending. So you choose the category between stuff like restaurants, home improvement stores, select streaming services, grocery stores, wholesale clubs, gas stations, EV charging, public transit, utilities, Amazon.com, drugstores, and so on. Because of all of these pros, including the excellent customer service, it is a wonderful choice. The cons that I have to mention are going to be the quarterly activation required, so you must remember to manually activate the 5% category every 3 months or you miss out on the bonus, the spending cap at $1,500 per quarter, the limited acceptance abroad, and the effort required to get maximum value. So it is absolutely worth it. Just keep in mind the quirks on the year 2 and beyond. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video gave you an understanding of this card, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.